Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Webflow form templates for lead capture UX, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Webflow website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Type in form templates and hit enter. Browse through the available templates displayed on the results page. Click on a template that interests you to view its details. Take note of the template's features and design. If you decide to proceed with downloading, look for a button or link that says download or clone to workspace. You may need to log into your Webflow account or create one if you haven't already. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the download process. Once downloaded, open the Webflow Designer. You will find your form template in the Pages or Symbols section. Click on the form template to open it for editing. Customize the fields according to your lead capture needs. Add any additional styling or elements to enhance the UX. Preview the form by clicking on the Preview button to ensure it displays correctly. Once satisfied, publish your changes to make the form live on your website. Test the form to verify it captures leads effectively. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.